Marami ng kanon. Marami na siyang puti.
Wala pa. Oh. Honey bee. Ang dami. Oo, gumagalaw pa. Oo. Yan, honey bee. May honey in the house. Hindi may honey in the tree. Kasi nasa loob siya ng bahay. May honey in the house. You know. Parang uod. Nung hinarvest, nakuha lang 10 litro. Ngayon kaya ilang litro itong harvest. Oh. Honey in the house, hindi honey in the tree. May honey in the house. Kita.